Okay, now I just want to tell you something about the meeting or something about the training course. Yesterday, we have sent a link on your WhatsApp number and in the message box also. I think so some of you face the problem. Why you face the problem that I want to discuss with you. Actually, problem was that you were not signing in with your email ID. If you will not sign in with your email ID, you will not be able to submit your feedback and you will not be able to submit your attendance also. So you must log in with your email ID. Actually, you have to sign in first.
Warm welcome to all the participants, all the dignitaries,
Yes,
and
sir.
all the resource persons. Please, Sapna ma'am, please mute your mic. Mute your mic, please. Okay, thank you very much. Now I would like to tell you about one thing. Yesterday we have just discussed about the missing elements of the education, and we have discussed about scientific research on the effectiveness of Maharishi consciousness based education. This presentation was given by our respected principal sir, Sri C.K. Sharma ji. Now today we are going to explain about 4 basic components of MCBE and the role of students in making the nation invincible. Introduction to Invincibility School. Our resource person is for today Mr. Rajesh Dikshit sir, Principal MVM Damoh. But before starting the session, I welcome to all the guests, all the dignitaries, all the resource persons, all respected principal sir, और हमारे जितने भी participants यहाँ जुड़े हुए हैं on the behalf of Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Devi Road,
आवाज नहीं आ रही ना? आ रही है?
We welcome to all of you. Yesterday we have sent a link to give the attendance and feedback, but I have observed only 63 or 64 teachers or the participants have submitted the feedback form. I don't know that why you are not interested to give the feedback or the attendance. So please, it's my humble request to all of you, please submit your feedback. Maybe you are having some problem. Maybe किस तरह का problem हो सकता है? Some teachers are joining the class or giving the feedback with your school ID. It means the ID which is provided by the organization, like MVM teachers, 9, 10, 12, whatsoever ID you are having from the school, that ID you are using. So please, first of all, you have to join the class and give the feedback with your personal email ID. What is the purpose to give the personal email ID? Actually, the purpose is to collect the email IDs and no contradiction is there. No contradiction will be there. It means that teacher 12 बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं आपके स्कूल में. Teacher 12, it means that who is the PGTs, they will have that particular IDs. So अगर आपने एक बार उस ID से submit कर दिया, suppose that any teacher who is teaching in 12th class, suppose that particular teacher submit his or her feedback, definitely you will not be able to submit your feedback because you will get one quotation, one notation आएगा उसमें एक कि you already submitted your feedback. तो आप नहीं कर पाओगे. So please log in with your personal email ID and after that you have to give your password and then you submit your feedback. Second thing और आपको बता दूं, we are taking attendance automatically. हम सारी attendance जो है वो automatically ले रहे हैं. So there is a problem. Problem is, which kind of problem we are facing? So many teachers are joining with the same email ID. Same जो उनका जो same मतलब उनका जो name आ रहा है, it is same. It is quite difficult to find the particular person that who is joining with that particular ID. So my humble request is that please join with your personal ID. Please join with your personal ID. आप अपने personal ID से join करेंगे it would be better to take the attendance. It would be better to give the feedback also. So please, और एक और चीज, कल मैंने एक नोटिस किया हुआ है, whatever the feedback I am just seeing, मैं सारे feedback देख रहा था कल, टीचर्स ने उसमें एक्चुअल वी हैव जस्ट गिवन द ग्रेडिंग, ग्रेड बोला हुआ है कि आप ग्रेड दे दीजिए, एक्चुअली द पॉइंट, ग्रेड पॉइंट, but one or two, three teachers are there who have just given 1 point. I think so, उनके हिसाब से शायद वो 1 point बेहतर होगा, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए कि 1 उसमें ग्लो होता है जब हम ग्रेडिंग देते हैं किसी को, तो 5 जो है ग्रेडिंग, वो अच्छी ग्रेडिंग मानी जाती है. तो प्लीज कोशिश करें ग्रेडिंग को समझने की. यू जस्ट लर्न, अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेडिंग, and we are the teachers and we are giving the grade to the students also. We are just finding out the students कि कौन अच्छा है. We are just giving the grades. उसको भी थोड़ा सा देख लीजिएगा, जैसा भी whatever you are feeling, so give the grade also. Next thing is that approximately 85 teachers and our respected principal sir and our other members are there now. So without wasting the time, मैं आपको एक चीज, अब जो फर्स्ट जो हमारा लेसन होगा, इट मींस दैट रिव्यू. तो मिस
Mrs.
Ekta Singh from MVM Riva, I would like to invite her to present review of the previous day on the
Brief
screen.
review, brief
If she
review.
is listening to me, if she is present. Yes, brief review. So please come on the screen and say about that. Mrs. Ekta Singh, if you are listening to me, on
Yes, sir.
Rawat sir,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
unmute. Yes. Yes, yes.
Sir, I'm listening. My voice is clear.
Yes, yes. Ekta ma'am, please, on your camera also, please.
continue.
Sir,
Okay.
Let you continue.
Yes, ma'am. Carry on.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev to all dignitaries presenting in this online MCE course first. I'm Ekta Singh, PGT Commerce, MVM Riva. Thanking you to all for giving us golden opportunity to participate in this course. And I'm honored to present a review of yesterday topic on missing elements of education and the scientific research on NCBE course 1. Yesterday our person, the principal of MVM Chhatarpur, Mr. P. Sharma sir, presenting his views on missing elements of the education, and he tell us about how importance of the consciousness in the field of education is. He also tell us about what is the importance of consciousness for the teachers during imparting the education knowledge to their students. Consciousness is important not only for the student, but it is also necessary for the teachers to be in conscious mind. And what is the role of transitional meditation in that consciousness-based education? He also explained the topic scientific research of the effectiveness of ABE. In our Maharshi Ji has also explained the importance of scientific research with the connection of the transitional meditation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I just want one more thing also, that जो
Please mute the mic, please. We are not hearing.
Actually, there may be a problem of, I think so, net. That's why there is a break or a
Sir, maybe
somewhat.
a little problem.
So continue.
Okay, now I would
No.
like to invite
Wait,
Mr. Rajesh.
wait. Let have a minute. The one on the second
Okay,
day,
sir,
I would like to welcome each and everybody. आप सभी का स्वागत है. Now today is the second day, and I am really grateful to the all principals. I am really grateful to the all teachers who are well participating. Today is the second day, and our resource person is the principal of MVM Damo, Mr. Rajesh Dikshit. And before he starts, let me remind that Kalpana Madam will at the last, I think so, read out the script of the unified field chart. And this is to be reminded and intimate to all teachers. They should prepare the notes, whatever will discussed during this online course. Whatever the topics being discussed or whatever the topics being well interacted, we must prepare notes, main points, summary, and then it is also given to you. I think so. It is utmost duty that you try to prepare the handouts. You also try to prepare the charts, whichever you want, the way in which you want to well present to yourself and to your students. It is the this is the class. It's being run or being organized not only for the we teachers, that we should know this is the class we are running, so that we can well allow us or we can well continue to our students. So it would be very helpful if the ready-made, I think so, a kind of ready-made masala, ready-made kunji, whatsoever, whenever within on the particular day if you prepare, you will remember the things and you can well jot it down. तो आप प्रतिदिन का नोट्स बनाएं, मेन पॉइंट्स बनाएं, समरी बनाएं, and the more points you can well consult or refer to the book, yellow book, and the other material being provided by the organization. So you may take the help and make the additional input. Input means the quotations and the, I think so, the phrasal analogies given by the Maharshi ji, then other statements, other knowledge, and other your resource, your great principles, they may well support you, assist you by the material and knowledge. It would be better. Now, before taking the more time, I would like to welcome Dikshit sir. Let you continue. Thank you very much once again, each and everybody. आवाज आ रही है आपकी? We are listening you. It is also kind of request. Today we are, I think so, getting the somewhat break or interference due to the internet problem. But we have to well cooperate and support and wait and keep the patience. I think keeping of the patience, as today all the principals know, we received one email from our chairman's office that we have to maintain the silence. Our chairman is going to maintain the silence for 7 days. So beginning the new year, bringing the peace into the world, we must maintain the silence. So we keep the patience. Silence as one quality, keeping or maintaining of the patience. Okay, I would like to welcome Dikshit sir. Let you continue. Thank you once again to our all principals and all teachers. You are all great. Today is the day, Tuesday. आज हनुमान जी का दिन है और हनुमान जी की कृपा आपके जरूर होगी और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होगा. Let you feel a gratitude of the God and nature and each and everyone. So thank you very much. Let Dikshit ji, let you continue.
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा था आपका, तो मैंने इसलिए लगा दिया था.
अच्छा, तो there is something problem today. Dikshit sir.
I would like to invite Dikshit sir. Please carry on the program. Dikshit sir, are you listening to me?
Yes, actually some technical problem is there, so I will be
I
ready
think so. I
within
think so. Yes,
within a
sir.
minute.
Okay, no problem. Okay, जब तक मैं थोड़ा सा एक information दे देता हूँ. Just want to give the information about the of the today's topic and unified field chart. Tomorrow, the teacher from Kalpana Nagar, Bhopal, will prepare the review
For
report
tomorrow.
and for tomorrow actually, and from the Sagar school, from MBM Sagar. It is my humble request to the teachers, any one of the teacher, please prepare unified field chart for tomorrow. Okay,
Teacher
so
of the
thank you very
Sagar will
much.
prepare
And
the read out the unified field. Kalpana Nagar will read out
Yes, sir,
the
unified field script. Yes. So please forward the name, those who are going to prepare in the evening. Thank you. Sir, please carry on, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Respected principals and respected teachers, Jai Gurudev. As you know, we Jai Gurudev, madam. We all are taking part in the training session of MCB Course 1. Today is day 2. On day 1, means yesterday, respected CK Sharma sir, our coordinator and principal of Maharshi Vidya Mandir Chhatarpur, gave the valuable knowledge on missing element of the education. Sharma sir explained beautifully that in present education system, subjective knowledge is missing. The focus is given on only objective knowledge. On the other hand, an MCB, by doing the regular practice of TM and TM Siddhi, one can establish his own awareness in the simplest state of consciousness. It results more satisfaction in life. Life is bliss. Life is mistake-free. One can use his full potential to achieve anything in life. On the second topic, that is scientific research on the effectiveness of consciousness-based education. Sharma sir told that many years of scientific research have demonstrated that the education technologies of consciousness-based education develop all aspects of life in a holistic manner. Cognitive abilities, emotional maturity, health, successful behavior, and even harmony and progress in society. Now today, I will try to explain the three topics. Number 1, 4 basic components of consciousness-based education. Number 2, the role of students in making the nation invincible. Number 3, introduction to Invincibility School. Number 1, 4 basic components of consciousness-based education. Awakens total knowledge, the full creative potential of human life in every student and in the society. It increases problem-free, progressive, and fulfilling life that brings only good to everyone. Now, the 4 basic components. So, first is courses on consciousness. Students practice, we know the students practice the transcendental meditation program twice daily in our school. And after doing this practice few months, they will start the Siddhi program also, including yogic flying. In this way, they will only focus on the consciousness field. Students also study the field of consciousness through courses that bring out unifying principles found in nature. All subjects of study and the students' own life. Number two, the second component, that is study of the standard subjects in light of the knowledge of consciousness. Students take the standard disciplines in mathematics, science, art, and humanities, with the unique addition that the main points of each lesson are related to the knowledge of full human potential. This makes the study of every subject more relevant and satisfying to the students. We know in our daily experience in a science subject, students are studying that everything in the universe are increasing. जैसा कि एक प्लांट जो है बड़ा होके ट्री बन जाता है, ऐसा ही छोटा बच्चा बड़ा होता है। इस तरह के वो स्टडी अपने साइंस के सब्जेक्ट्स में करते हैं। तो जब वो वही चीज अपने डेली लाइफ में जब वो देखता है, जब डेली मेडिटेशन की प्रैक्टिस और टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम की डेली प्रैक्टिस करता है, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करता है, तो उसके अंदर भी जो पॉजिटिव चीजें हैं, पॉजिटिव थिंग्स आर बीइंग इंक्रीज। तो जो वो उसका बिहेवियर है, उसका जो है इंटेलेक्चुअल पावर है, मेंटल एबिलिटी है, रीजनिंग पावर है, जब उसकी बढ़ती हुई उसको लगती है, तो उसको लगता है कि ये जो हमारा जो हम स्टडी जिस सब्जेक्ट्स की कर रहे हैं, ये जो है हम अपने जो है टीएम और टीएम सिद्धि का जो एरिया है, जो प्रैक्टिकल एरिया है, ये इससे बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट हो रहा होता है। नंबर 3, consciousness based curriculum principles and teaching techniques that make learning effective and fulfilling. The principles of curriculum design and teaching techniques of introduction brought out by Maharshi refine not only the mind and intellect, but also perception, emotions, speech, and behavior to culture increasingly refined and flexible thought and action in the students, preparing the mind and body to naturally maintain higher states of consciousness. हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि जो महर्षि जी ने अपनी जो टेक्निक बताई है, जो कोर्स ओवरव्यू चार्ट से स्टार्ट होती है कि सबसे पहले टीचर इस क्लास में जाके कोर्स ओवरव्यू चार्ट को बताता है कि पूरे जो है सिलेबस को कोर्स ओवरव्यू चार्ट में स्प्लिट करते हुए बनाया जाता है। तो जब भी टीचर क्लास में जाएगा तो सबसे पहले वो पहले क्या स्टडी कर चुके हैं और कितना और अभी हमारा स्टडी करने को बाकी है, ये जब वो दिखाता है बच्चों को, तो बच्चों के ब्रेन में थोड़ा कंफर्टनेस आ जाता है कि हमारा कोर्स इतना हो गया है, इतना रह गया है, और कल का मैटर क्या था उससे आज के मैटर को थोड़ा सा रिलेट करते हुए और आगे फिर टीचर अपना कोर्स उस दिन की टीचिंग स्टार्ट करता है। और जब वो टीचिंग स्टार्ट करता है तो होलनेस से शुरू करता है। होलनेस में जो भी मैटर वो टीच करने वाला होता है उस दिन, उसका वो सेंट्रल आइडिया रहता है, वो होलनेस में बता दिया जाता है। फिर जो उसका मैटर रहता है, जो उसको उस दिन टीच करना रहता है, वो मेन पॉइंट्स वो टीचर बनाता है, मेन पॉइंट चार्ट बनाता है, उससे वो उस दिन का मैटर एलेबोरेट करता है, एक्सप्लेन करता है। उसके बाद में फिर जो है एनालिसिस और सिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस होती है। फिर स्टूडेंट्स को एंड ऑफ समरी चार्ट दिया जाता है, उसको 2 सेंटेंस लिखने को दिए जाते हैं। एक जो स्टडी उसने की है, जो टीचिंग टीचर ने कराई है, वो कोई भी उस मैटर पर से जो भी उसको एक सेंटेंस सबसे अच्छा लगता है वो उसको लिखता है। उसके बाद में एक सेंटेंस वो जो उसकी मेडिटेशन और टीएम सिद्धि कहना चाहिए, टीएम एंड टीएम सिद्धि के रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से उसके अंदर जो डेवलपमेंट हुए हैं उस पॉइंट को उससे वो रिलेट करते हुए और लिखता है। और उसके बाद तीसरा एक डायग्राम रहता है जो दोनों पॉइंट को कोरिलेट करते हुए वो स्टूडेंट बनाता है। तो ये उसका एंड ऑफ समरी चार्ट होता है। और लास्ट में जो है फिर जो है उस दिन के मैटर को टीचर जो है यूनिफाइड फील्ड चार्ट स्क्रिप्ट के द्वारा फिनिश करते हैं। तो इस तरह की जो टेक्निक है महर्षि जी की, ये ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड रहती है और स्टूडेंट को ये लगता है कि जितना भी मैटर उसने उस दिन डिस्कस किया है वो कुछ नहीं है, केवल उसी के अंदर वो सारा मैटर है। और वो अगर अपने सेल्फ को एनलाइटन कर ले, सेल्फ को एनलाइवन कर ले रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ टीएम एंड टीएम सिद्धि से, तो जो भी कुछ हमको अपनी डिसिप्लिन में पढ़ाया जाता है वो सब कुछ जो है हम अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं या हमारे अंदर पहले से ही वो नॉलेज अवेलेबल है। तो इस तरह से महर्षि जी ने ये बताया कि इसी तरह की टेक्निक से बच्चे को सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा होता है, उसके सेल्फ को एनलाइवन करने से ये जो है एजुकेशन सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टेड रहता है। नंबर 4 आता है स्ट्रेस फ्री रूटीन एंड हेल्दी एटमॉस्फेयर to stabilize the state of restful alertness, which is the fundamental to development of higher state of consciousness. The school emphasizes a balanced routine of the transcendental meditation and transcendental meditation siddhi program, academic classes, sports, and creative activities, early bedtime, and no big homework assignments. Boys and girls are educated in their own schools to help them comfortably focus and develop their unique talent. The buildings are constructed accordingly to architectural principles in harmony with natural law. The meals are organic, vegetarian. The atmosphere radiates peace, vitality, openness, acceptance, and ideal atmosphere for learning and growth. So these are the 4 basic components of consciousness-based education. Now, I would like to offer some appealing point from the teacher side. If anybody is ready to say something about this matter, just you have to write down one appealing point. So after a minute, I think it is better to give the chance to school wise. So I will announce the name of his school, and any teacher from that school may say something about this topic. Only you have to write down one appealing point and just open your mic and read it. So just 1 minute. I think it is better to start from Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Panna. Any teacher from Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Panna?
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai Gurudev.
The today's Jai Gurudev sir. Today's appealing point is that first of all we need to select a particular point. Then it should be emphasized on wholeness, and finally we'll make a particular chart or a diagram to explain within that particular chart, so that it would be easily understandable, and we need to just implement MCBE approach. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Okay. Now, any teacher from MBM Sagar? Any teacher from MVM, Indore, Khargone?
Yes, Josna madam, you raise your hand, so you may say something if you want to say.
Yes. Maharshiji's
Okay.
technique really helped a lot to students in balancing routine life, and it is a very good combination between nature and modernity.
Okay. Okay, I think it is enough. Now we should go ahead.
Sir, I
The
can
next
also.
topic. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev to each and everyone, respected principals and my dear friends. I am going to speak related to the topic sir has informed us about. Conscious-based education helps the child to learn and write, and the education will be stress-free. I think if the students will do TM and TMCP, including yogic plan, so the education will be stress-free, and a particular child can be learn and write each and everything he can do very spontaneously, and with the help of some charts, and we can give practical knowledge through Maharshi Ji's teaching technique. We can give students practical knowledge also, I think so. Jai Gurudev, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we should go ahead. The second topic is the role of students in making the nation invincible. The unfolding their hidden potential, creative genius and development. A fully alert and integrated state of mind and body through the practice of the transcendental meditation program, students can make their country great and create an integrated progressive nation which is invincible because it is impenetrated to outside negative influences. इनविंसिबल मीन्स जिसको कि जिसको जो अजय होता है हिंदी में जिसको हम कहते हैं जिसको हराया ना जा सके, तो यानी ऐसा नेशन महर्षि जी बोलते हैं कि केवल रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ टीएम और टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम से ऐसा नेशन बनाया जा सकता है कि जब स्टूडेंट्स रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे टीएम और टीएम सिद्धि की, तो फिर वो जो है सोसाइटी में उसका जो कोहेरेंस है वो जाएगा और पूरी सोसाइटी और हम लोग कहें नेशन जो है सारे पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड से भर जाएगा, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करेगा, बीमारियां नहीं होंगी और क्राइम रेट्स बिल्कुल जीरो हो जाएगा। तो जब ऐसा कहीं होगा तो वो कंट्री जो है वो नेशन जो है इनविंसिबल हो जाएगा, मतलब वहाँ उसको कोई किसी से खतरा नहीं रहेगा और क्योंकि नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस जो बाहर से उसको प्रभावित करने वाला होगा वो जीरो रहेगा। Students play an important role in making the nation invincible because the behavior of every student influences national consciousness. If students handle their life wisely, their nation will be more integrated, coherent, harmonious, and progressive because the collective consciousness of the nation determines the quality of life of the nation. Every student aspires to be great and to prepare himself to be a successful citizen of his nation. He can do this by gaining as much knowledge as he can, by being highly alert and disciplined in his thinking and harmonious in his feeling and relationship with others. So these are the qualities given here. The students may develop by the regular practice of meditation. The positive trends are being spread throughout the society, in a nation, and that's why it is invincible. So students may play a great role to make our country or make any country, any nation invincible. Through the regular practice of the Transcendental Meditation Program, students can unfold their inner genius as they can gain the knowledge they are studying. They will be so alert in mind and body, so strong in themselves, and harmonious in their behavior with others, that they will spontaneously contribute maximum to making their nation invincible. So these are the something about the role of students in making the nation invincible. और इस महर्षि जी ने बच्चों के ऊपर पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डाली है कि अगर बच्चे हमारे स्कूल में बहुत अच्छे से मेडिटेशन और सिद्धि प्रोग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, सोसाइटी में भी इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है महर्षि इफेक्ट से, कि अगर एक साथ बैठ के एक जगह बैठ के उस पॉपुलेशन का, सभी जानते हैं कि 1% भी अगर मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो उसका जो है पूरा पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट पूरी सोसाइटी पर पड़ता है। और अगर किसी भी नेशन में ये 1% पॉपुलेशन अगर बच्चों से ही बना ली जाए तो उसकी पॉजिटिविटी जब पूरी सोसाइटी में जाएगी, पूरी नेशन में जाएगी, तो वो जो है इनविंसिबल बनने में उसको कोई नहीं रोक सकता, क्योंकि बच्चों के अंदर वो सारी क्वालिटीज हैं जो एक बार अगर जो हिडन पोटेंशियल है कि उसको अगर जगह दिया जाए पीएम एंड टीएम सिद्धि प्रोग्राम से, सेल्फ को जब वो एनलाइवन कर लेगा तो नेचुरली ये पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड्स जो कि इनविंसिबल बनाने के लिए जरूरी होते हैं सोसाइटी में, नेशन में, वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है ऑटोमेटिकली सब जगह दिखेंगे और हमारा देश या कोई भी देश जो है इनविंसिबल हो जाएगा। तो ये जो इनविंसिबिलिटी के ऊपर था, मेरे ख्याल से अब कुछ अपीलिंग पॉइंट्स हम लोग देख लेते हैं इस पर से। टीचर फ्रॉम एनी टीचर फ्रॉम MBM सागर।
So Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव।
So Jai Gurudev, myself Archana Dubey, Sir MBM Sagar.
जी।
So Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव मैडम, जय गुरुदेव।
हाँ, yes sir. सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से सर प्रॉपर नहीं हो पा रहा, फिर भी सर our point is, if we are doing regular practice of transcendental meditation, that we can save our child as well as our society. It is truly said by our respected His Holiness Maharshi Ji कि यदि हम अपने घर परिवार में सुख और शांति का माहौल बनाकर रखते हैं, सबसे पहले शुरुआत हमसे ही होती है। Being a teacher, we are doing everything for our school children as well as our family. There is a good relation between mind and body. महर्षि जी ने जैसा कहा है कि जैसा आप सोचेंगे वैसा ही या जैसा आप अपने व्यवहार में पालेंगे वैसा व्यवहार आपके बच्चे आपसे सीखेंगे। इस चीज को जानते हुए, सीखते हुए हमें सभी के जीवन में प्रेरणा के स्रोत बच्चों के आधार पर होते हैं। बच्चे सबसे बड़ी प्रेरणा होते हैं, उसको हमें अपने बीच में शामिल करके चलना चाहिए और मेडिटेशन को हमें अपना आधार बनाना चाहिए। थैंक यू सर। जय गुरुदेव सर।
ओके, जय गुरुदेव। एनी टीचर फ्रॉम MBM टीकमगढ़।
MBM खरगोन सर, any my
हाँ
teacher?
खरगोन, हाँ मैडम खरगोन। हाँ मैडम, खरगोन।
Jai Gurudev.
जय
Myself,
गुरुदेव।
Jai Joshi from MBM Khargone. It,
हाँ
the
जोशी
appealing
सर।
students are an asset of any nation. If the students are practicing TM and TM Siddhi program, they will be physically and mentally strong and very skillful in particular field. They can play a great role for not only individually, but for the society and nation also. They will be spontaneously beneficial for the nation. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Now any teacher from MBM Tikamgarh?
Jai Gurudev, sir.
जय गुरुदेव।
Sir, TM and TM Siddhi give that strength to student which observe the all positive power inside of her heart or her mind, and after that they release known they spread the all over for his positiveness, and this positiveness reduce to crime surrounding that student or surrounding a whole country, or we can say that it's a total it's a just light for spreading all over of a student. Thank you, sir. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Okay. Any other?
जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव सर। यदि हम
जय गुरुदेव।
हाँ अपने देश को इंसिविल
सर,
बनाना चाहते हैं, अजेब करना चाहते हैं, तो
परिचय
हमें
हाँ सर
तो
बोलिए।
हमें टोटल जनसंख्या का, टोटल पॉपुलेशन के स्क्वायर रूट का 1% भी यदि हम मेडिटेशन या TM सिद्धि TM प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो उस पूरे जनसंख्या पर उसका असर पड़ता है। तो हमें ये चाहिए कि हम अपने स्कूल में के बच्चों से या स्कूल के स्टूडेंट से TM और TM सिद्धि प्रोग्राम रेगुलर करवाएं, जिससे उस पूरे क्षेत्र में इंसिविलिटी या अजेयता उत्पन्न। जय गुरुदेव।
जी सर, कहाँ से हैं सर आप?
सर टीकमगढ़ सर।
अच्छा।
टीकमगढ़ MBM टीकमगढ़।
ओके। ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
Other teacher?
Jai Gurudev, sir.
जय गुरुदेव।
Jai Gurudev, sir.
जय गुरुदेव। जय गुरुदेव।
Yes, sir. I am SK Misra from MBM Chhatarpur.
Okay.
Are you listening my voice, sir?
Yes sir, very
Yes,
clearly.
sir.
Yes sir. हाँ, continue sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Really, I want to know something. Though you are giving really the nectar-like things for us, but sir, there is a saying that 20 men cannot lead a horse into water, but 1 man can drink it. I mean to say, कि really there should be some ways that I want to know how can create the desire in the students that they should do TM and other Siddhi program spontaneously. Sometimes we have to adopt the method of courses method that they should do it. But we want to know the ways that how can we create the great desire in the hearts of the people, in the students, so that they can adopt and perform it spontaneously.
So, sir, is it your question? Or are you not telling appealing points?
Sir, we want to be fruitful from the some methods that we can give the students that they should do it, perform the meditation spontaneously. स्वतः ही उनके अंतःकरण में एक जागृत हो जाए कि अब ये करना ही है, really में there is no questionable part from the master ji that given everything is really scientific. तो हम जानना चाहते हैं सर कि कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स हो जिससे उनके अंदर ही जागरण हो जाए कि हमें अपने आप करना है, किसी को हमें कहने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े। तो कुछ ऐसे सर अगर टिप्स हो तो हम बता सकें।
बिल्कुल। दीक्षित जी, हाँ, बिल्कुल. The first principle, as it is being stated by the Dikshit sir, that if the student or the group of teachers, even the people, if they practice the TM and TM Siddhi program, a complete armor will be well maintained and formed, you can say constituted, and due to that armor, the influence of that armor of the positivity, the coherence will radiate, and automatically and naturally that piousness and purity and whatever you say, the desire will be formed. I think so. You are S.K. Mishra ji, you have been for many years from Panna to Chhatarpur, served in the MVM organization. I think your TM is somewhat problematic. I think if the person doing the happy man transfer the happiness, and if the teacher does the very good TM, the influence or the quality that radiates, automatically the student will well influence, and they will do and perform the TM. So, second thing is that you don't try to well compare the man with the horse or animals or something like that. Animals are animals and man is a man. So you must know. And it is well, the first quality is teacher must practice the TM. Second quality is you become a role model to the students. So they will be well by your quality influenced and take the guideline and will follow you all. Third is that yesterday I told you that TM, if it is being performed unitedly with the organized way in the school, automatically the atmosphere environment make not a pressure but motivate and inspires to conduct the same. So I would like to request to being a teacher, don't try to use these kind of phrases whenever we are talking about the positivity, when we are talking about the goodness. So I think you would have understood. Let's continue, Dikshit sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. I think now we should go ahead, and the third topic is Introduction to Invincibility School. In Invincibility schools, students enjoy direct experience and intellectual study of the field of transcendental consciousness, the field of the student's full potential. Maharshi ji also says that nothing can satisfy anyone rather than the knowledge of one's unbounded value. I am totally, I am everything. The nature of life is cosmic. That means use beyond any sensory perception, use beyond any mind, use beyond any intellect. It is the field of the transcendent. The intellectual study of consciousness makes the students increasingly aware of how they are growing to actualize their total potential. Though through this study, the students increasingly appreciate a deeper, more powerful reality beyond the surface of their perception, from where their whole life can be effectively organized and fulfilled. They become aware of the unifying principles that are common to all areas of study and their own subjective experience of developing consciousness. The twice daily practice of TM and TM Siddhi gives the direct experience of the field of pure intelligence, transcendental consciousness, the simplest state of their own awareness. This experience, together with the intellectual study of the field of consciousness, makes learning increasingly relevant and satisfying, and students become aware of the essential unity of life as a whole. The intellectual study of consciousness has its origin in Maharshi science of consciousness. Maharshi science of consciousness is the science of total knowledge, the knowledge of everything there is to know inside and outside. Total knowledge is that state of complete awakening or enlightenment in which our awareness is open to all the laws of nature gained through the regular practice of the TM and TM Siddhi program. The goal of education, as we have just read, is the full awakening of the total creative potential of every student life in enlightenment. Enlightenment is the state of perfection, a state of complete inner happiness, fulfillment, and the complete freedom that comes when we naturally do everything right for ourselves and others and can achieve all we desire. It is a state of which we feel unified with everyone and everything. So actually, this is happening in Invincible School, and this is the actually introduction. What are the things going on in an Invincible School? And we know we all are having this experience in our school because daily we are doing the practice of TM and TM Siddhi with the students, and definitely we are also finding the same thing in our school, which is described here. Loving compassion for all the humanity, just the presence of an enlightened person in the world creates a powerful influence for good and righteousness. We may not yet know anyone who fits this description, but we and everyone we know by having a human nervous system have the potential to live enlightenment in the highest state of consciousness. When we practice transcendental meditation, the mind settles down to its most peaceful and quiet state. We can compare the mind to an ocean. Usually, our minds, as long as we are awake or dreaming, are very active. We are thinking continuously about that we are doing now, or we or what we did in past, or what we are going to do in future. So these thoughts are like the active waves on an ocean. The transcendental meditation technique naturally settles the mind like waves settling to their quietest state as the calm, unbounded ocean. तो हम लोग जानते हैं कि जो ओशन में, समुद्र में जो ऊपर की वेव्स रहती हैं वो काफ़ी एक्टिव रहती हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही हम नीचे जाते हैं तो एक बहुत कामनेस आ जाता है, शांत एरिया आ जाता है, और उसी शांत एरिया को महर्षि जी ने बोला है कि हमारे माइंड में भी ओशन जैसा ही हमारा माइंड है कि ऊपर जो वेव्स रहती हैं वो एक्टिव रहती हैं, लेकिन उनका सोर्स जो है, जब हम अपना माइंड को इतना शांत कर लेंगे कि जितना कि समुद्र के जो सबसे नीचे का एरिया शांत रहता है और वही ओरिजिन रहता है, वही ओरिजिन है, वही जो है डायनामिज्म का ओरिजिन है, जो एक्टिवनेस का ओरिजिन है। लेकिन पहले हमको उस स्थान पर पहुंचना है, और वो तभी संभव है जब हम रेगुलरली टीएम और टीएम सिद्धि की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो हम अपने अंदर ही वो ओशन का जो शांत एरिया है उसी को कंपेयर करें तो हम अपने माइंड में भी वही जो है चीज पाएंगे, और फिर हम कुछ भी करने की पोजीशन में हो पाएंगे, जिस तरह की ओशन की वेव्स करती हैं। महर्षि साइंस ऑफ कॉन्शसनेस डिस्क्राइब्स दिस ओशन ऑफ कॉन्शसनेस. It is unbounded and silent, but within that silence are all potential waves. It is completely calm but lively within itself and immense intelligence. This is the full potential of our mind, a field of unbounded intelligence. So as the mind settle down to quiet level through the natural practice of transcendental meditation, the body correspondingly becomes deeply relaxed. And here we have a unique combination, alertness and restfulness combined, a restfully alert state. This is the special quality of transcendental consciousness, silence and dynamism together. Silence and dynamism together. Our total creative potential. It is the fourth state of consciousness, distinct from the three familiar states of consciousness, waking, dreaming, and sleeping. The regular experience of transcendental consciousness through transcendental meditation brings remarkable benefits to daily life, starting from the first day of learning the technique. It is like drawing the arrow back fully on the bow for it to fly straight to the target. Through transcendental meditation, our mind becomes saturated. तो इसमें ये तीर और धनुष का जो है उदाहरण दिया है कि जैसे हम अगर तीर को उसको धनुष को जो है झुका के और तीर को खींचते हैं तो वो जिस तरह से आगे जाता है, इसी तरह को कंपेयर किया है मेडिटेशन से. With its own full potential power, and then we come out of meditation dynamic, yet relax, the perfect preparation for successful activity. With only waking, dreaming and sleeping, people never pull the arrow back, so to speak. So they are never fully dynamic and never fully rested. With regular practice of transcendental meditation, we develop higher state of consciousness leading to enlightenment. And this is the actually basic need of invincibility also. If anybody is perfect in TM and TM Siddhi after regular practice, so these things will be developed inside that person, and we can talk about the students, inside the students, and then students can do anything. Students can achieve anything, and that will give a result to our making our nation invincible. तो ये सारी जो चीजें बताई गई हैं, ये इनविंसिबल स्कूल के लिए की क्वालिटीज हैं, और किस तरह से जो है प्रैक्टिस करने पर और ये सारी जो है पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड्स बच्चों में लाके और वो सोसाइटी में डाइवर्ट करके और नेशन को इनविंसिबल बनाने की तरफ सारे स्कूल योगदान दे रहे हैं. तो इसी के बारे में ये बताया गया है. अब नाउ वी शुड स्टार्ट सम अपीलिंग पॉइंट. So after 1 minute, we will start the same. So now I am calling one teacher from MBM Damo.
Jai Guru sir, I am Meera Patel from RC Vidya Mandir Damo. So, when students will do meditation and TMCT program in group in organized manner twice in a day, it enhances their intellectual level and they will fulfill their needs for being a good students and also a good citizen. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any teacher from MBM Riva?
Jai Gurudev sir, myself Ekta Singh from
Yes.
MVM Riva. When we practice transitional meditation, the mind settles down to its most peaceful and quiet state. We can compare the mind to an ocean. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any teacher from MBM Satna? Any teacher
Excuse
from
me,
MBM
sir. Khargon.
Khargon? हाँ. After madam, after Satna.
Okay, sir. Okay.
सर खरगोन भी है, एक सर नौगांव भी है हमारे यहाँ पर छतरपुर में, एक सरानी में MBM 3 भी है।
हाँ सर, हाँ।
बरसिया,
हाँ सर, हाँ।
बरसिया भी है, और MBM भोपाल में कल्पना नगर भी है। राइट, रतनपुर।
हाँ सर।
राइट राइट, गुड सर।
सॉरी, मैं भूल गया सर।
नहीं, कंटिन्यू सर। सर
जी। हाँ, MBM Satna. Okay, now MBM Bhopal. Any teacher from Ratanpur?
खरगोन।
Jai Gurudev sir. Myself Sushma Padey from Khargon and Maharshi Vidya Mandir Khargon. Regularly practice of TM and TM Siddhi. We can develop invincible school and invincible nation. Thank you.
Okay. Now MBM Ratanpur.
Sir Jai Gurudev, I am Renu Singh Sisodia from MBM Ratanpur. Mind settles down to quiet levels through the natural practice of transcendental meditation. The body correspondingly becomes deeply relaxed. And here we have a unique combination, alertness and restfulness combined, a restfully alert state. This is the special quality of transcendental consciousness.
Okay. Now any teacher from MBM Bhopal 2, Ayodhya Nagar, Kalpana Nagar.
Jai Gurudev sir. Myself Niti Shukla from Ratanpur, Bhopal. Respected principal sir and all teachers, I feel the most appealing point is correlation of our thought with waves of ocean. How in first, second and third stage our thoughts are like active waves of ocean, and when we go deeper and deeper, the waves are saturated and our mind also gets saturated by doing TM and TM Siddhi, which is very, very powerful and it brings invincibility. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Now MBM Kalpana Nagar.
Jai Gurudev sir, MBM Satna.
Yes. अच्छा, ठीक.
Sir, appealing point. Mind settle down by TM and TM Siddhi.
Hello. Jai Gurudev. Yes, Kalpana Nagar.
Goal of education to enlighten the student and mind settle down by TM and TM Siddhi.
Okay. Now MBM Kalpana Nagar. Bhopal 2. Barasia. MBM Barasia.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Sir, when we practice TM and TM Siddhi program, so we can achieve something and I think do better for studies, every teacher, every student.
Which is school, madam? Which is school?
MBM Barasia.
Now MBM Nagaon.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Jai Gurudev.
This is Aarti Goswami from MBM Nagaon. The appealing point which I noticed is that the deeper the level of natural law from where the students are functioning, the greater the field of influence we command through our actions. So by developing the more subtle and powerful levels of our own intelligence, we can fulfill our own goals more easily while upholding the interest of others and the environment. हम जब सत्वगुणी चेतनावान होंगे तो हमारे द्वारा कोई भी काम गलत नहीं होगा, हम जो भी करेंगे वो मिस्टेक फ्री होगा, और इस तरह से एक अच्छे समाज और एक अच्छे राष्ट्र का निर्माण होगा जो कि इनविंसिबल होगा। जय गुरुदेव।
Okay, जय गुरुदेव। Now MBM Chhatarpur 3.
जय गुरुदेव सर।
जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव all.
Jai.
My name is Upendra Dwivedi. Thoughts is like a ocean, but TM saturated these thoughts into one direction. Thank you, sir.
सर इंदौर में भी एक दो स्कूल हैं, सेकंड भी है एक।
अच्छा, हाँ सर, इंदौर स्कूल के कोई टीचर अगर बोलना चाहते हैं।
जय गुरुदेव सर। जय गुरुदेव।
जय गुरुदेव।
This is Kalpana Joshi from MVM Indore. As sir told that the most important components of MCBE is regular practice of TM and TM Siddhi. So when we regular practice the TM, it increase more orderly thinking, it increase tolerance power, it enhance working capacity also, and our behavior became positive. So it is helpful to reduce the crime rate in the society. Jai Gurudev sir.
जय गुरुदेव। कोई
जय
ऐसा
गुरुदेव।
स्कूल रह गया है जो अभी?
जय गुरुदेव
जी,
sir. Jai Gurudev
Jai
sir,
Gurudev.
this is Jyotsna Pandey from MVM to Indore, and I want to say that the concept of intellectual study of by Maharshi ji is helpful in developing consciousness in every field of life, and a student can solve out all sorts of problem calmly and can set a good coordination with everyone and everything. Thank you.
ओके, कोई ऐसा स्कूल रह गया है जो अभी तक नहीं बोल पाए हो टीचर वहाँ से?
जय गुरुदेव सर, एमबीएम टीकमगढ़।
हाँ बोलिए मैडम।
जय गुरुदेव all of you. I Reshmi Singh from MBM Tikamgarh. Today I have noticed some appealing points. First is whole life of the student can be fulfilled by doing twice daily TM and Siddhi regularly. And second appealing point, then Maharshi ji says, I am everything.
Okay.
Jai Gurudev sir.
जय गुरुदेव। जय। Sarma sir, now can we finish the day by the unified field chart script?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So just a minute, I am focusing to a chart. Then I will read the same.
Jai Gurudev sir, may I present Unified Field Script? This is Kalpana Joshi from MVM Indore.
Okay, okay. So do you want to present?
Yes, sir. I want to read the script, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So, may I start the script?
Yes, yes.
Jai Gurudev.
वो साइन कर दूंगा मैं।
Today, we studied the main components of Maharshi consciousness-based education, which has its source in pure intelligence of unified field of natural law, which we directly experience and enliven this field of pure intelligence in our own awareness through TM and TM Siddhi program. Large groups of individuals practicing together the TM and TM Siddhi, including yogic flying, which enliven the unified field in the whole collective consciousness of the nation, which results more ideal society and growth of heaven on earth, and nation become invincible. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Okay. Can you show it also on chart?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, little. Some more
It
improvement should be
is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Hello.
No.
Just sir. Sir, I am trying. Is it visible, sir?
No, मैडम वो सीधा नहीं है. Start को सीधा करना.
Now?
No.
Ma'am, you have to move your camera. Actually, अपना mobile. हाँ, yes. आप इसको
ये.
That's good.
ये. ठीक है.
Yeah. May I start again?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Today, we studied the main components of Maharshi consciousness-based education, which has its source in pure intelligence of unified field of natural law. We directly experience and enliven this field of pure intelligence in our own awareness through TM and TM Siddhi program. When large groups of individuals practicing together the TM and TM Siddhi, including yogic flying, enliven the unified field in the whole collective consciousness of the nation, which results more ideal society and growth of heaven on nation become invincible. Thank you. Jai Guru.
Little
Sir,
bit improvement.
Any suggestion, sir?
Little bit improvement is needed when you using the pointer. So
Okay,
little
sir.
bit improvement is needed. Otherwise everything is right.
Okay, sir. We will follow. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Jai.
So Jai Gurudev, all the respected principals and teachers who joined this program, and thank you very much to give the cooperation today. Now I am calling P.K. Sharma sir.
Yes, Jai Gurudev. It was a wonderful session and well conducted and taken very calm and quietly. And wonderfully, today's greatness is that key members, I mean the teachers of all the schools have been well participated. And one-way traffic was not there. There was a two-way traffic, and most of representation given by the each and every member. It's a greatness, and we must applaud for this. A great work by the Dikshit sir. I'm grateful and thank you to you, sir. Again, I want to say great work you did today, and you took the participation of each and everyone, and you well expressed well about the four components of MCB and also the role of students bringing the invincibility and also how to make the school invincible. It is well important. Most of the principals and teachers of the Maharshi organization, they are working on it by the practice of TM and TM Siddhi program. We want to constitute our schools truly an invincible school. I mean the schools where no, you can say negativity can penetrate, impenetrable. We must make our schools impenetrable by the practice of TM and TM Siddhi program. Armor should be well made and formed by our that aroma which came out from the practice of TM and TM Siddhi program, or as said by the teacher, सत्व गुण अगर आएगा तो अपने आप ही वो ऐसा वातावरण बनेगा कि नेगेटिविटी बिल्कुल भी पेनिट्रेट नहीं करेगी. ग्रेट वर्क बाय द दीक्षित सर. इसलिए आई वांट टू इनवाइट द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ अदर स्कूल्स, अगर वो कुछ बोलना चाहते हो. टीकमगढ़ वाले सर दिखाई दे रहे थे, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं. रावत सर ने बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोला है, तो अगर आप नहीं, अच्छा, रीवा के रावत सर ने नहीं बोला है. इसी तरह रीवा इंदौर के मैडम बोलना चाहते हो. अदर स्कूल्स हैं, अयोध्या नगर है, बरसिया है. सतना वाली मैडम अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो इट इज अ थिंग कि अभी भी अपने पास 5 to 6 मिनट है. तो इट इज नॉट कि वी शुड वेल कंटिन्यू आवर माइक एंड वॉइस. You all people are participants and have got the role to make the program successful. We want to get or have views of this on this program by each and everyone. That would be then we say कि it is a successful program. बोलना चाहते हैं सर, मैडम, सर? बोलेंगे नहीं तो काम नहीं चलेगा, अनावश्यक ना बोल के अगर अच्छा अच्छा बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। तो अच्छा का मतलब ये नहीं कोई गलत है तो उसको बोलना है, पर गलत बोलने का भी एक तरीका होता है। तो वी पीपल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, टू आर इज ह्यूमन बट टू फॉरगिव इज अ ग्रेट वन, डिवाइन। बोलना चाहते हैं, बताएं। चलिए, टीचर्स में से भी यू आर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ योर प्रिंसिपल। टीचर्स, आप लोग बोलते नहीं है स्कूल में? यस। या ऐसा होता है हमारे देश में कि प्रोग्राम जब खत्म होते हैं ना कोई भी, तो अपना प्रोग्राम खत्म हुआ हम चल देते हैं। आवाज आ रही है? आरती मैडम बोलना चाहते हैं? अच्छा, हाँ,
यस सर। जय
यस।
गुरुदेव सर। सर बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सेशन because we have got the chance to express ourselves, because from long time we all are practicing meditation and Siddhi program. So we are getting the opportunity, we are getting the platform to express ourselves, to bring out ourselves, and we are very, very thankful to you all that you are throwing the light of Maharshi Ji on us in such a good manner. We are adopting each and everything what you are imparting to us. Thank you so much, sir.
That's great. That's great. It is the same feeling, I think, so being felt by each and everyone. It's a great expression by the teacher. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. The same feeling to be well, I think so, felt and also experienced by each and everyone. That we can say that truly we are practicing the TM and TN Siddhi program, which is being the basic feature of our organization. और कोई बोलना चाहता है?
Sir, this is Jyotsna Pandey from MBM to Indore.
अच्छा मैडम, आप बोलते रहते हैं बार बार। चलिए, लेट यू कंटिन्यू। ग्रेट। हाँ, यस यस। ममता मैडम,
The topic of meditation.
हाँ,
Topic of meditation is explained in very easy, simple words, and the session was very good today.
That's nice. That's nice. It's a greatness of the Dikshit ji, right? It's a great.
No, sir.
Yes, yes.
It was your suggestion, sir.
Oh no, sir. But it's a great work. Great work. Yes. Okay. Next. Yes. Yes.
Myself, Manisha Nima. I am Satna MBM. I am from Satna MBM.
Right.
Sir, this is my first course, and I am very happy to got this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Good, good, good. Thank you. Thank you. This is a good thing that most of the teachers, they are taking the part and taking the initiative to well participate. This is what I am saying. This is the main feature of the program. If it happens otherwise, होता क्या है कि program होता है और जल्दी लोग they want to delink or deconnect and want to go back to their well usual work. Okay, anybody else? जैसा मैडम ने, आरती मैडम ने शुरू किया कि प्लेटफॉर्म नीडेड, तो हम इट इज अ गुड थिंग कि देयर ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी शुड वेल टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
हेलो.
यस यस यस.
मे आई?
हाँ, यस.
सर, मैं एक बात बताऊंगी कि अगर कल से जैसे क्लासेस होती हैं तो जो भी अटेंड कर रहा है अपीलिंग पॉइंट्स भी उनसे पूछे जाएंगे, और अपीलिंग पॉइंट्स के बाद हमारा जो है लास्ट में यूनिफाइड फील्ड चार्ट को बता के उस पे पूरा पॉइंटर से घुमा के अच्छे से हम लोग पूछेंगे जो भी रिसोर्स पर्सन रहेंगे. तो टीचर प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर.
Right, that's great. Good. It's a great thing that there must be a participation. जैसा हमने कहा कि प्रोग्राम हो गया, जैसा मैडम ने अभी बताया. और कुछ कहना चाहते हैं मैडम आप?
बस सर, बस इतना ही. थैंक यू.
ग्रेट सजेशन. टीचर्स ये ना सोचें कि बस हमारा प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया. वी प्रिपेयर द नोट्स, वी मस्ट प्रेजेंट अवर दैट यूनिफाइड फील्ड चार्ट एंड वेल अदर प्रिपेयर द अदर थिंग्स which we study today, and also show to our well concerning principal, concerning in charges whatsoever the academic or the MCB, so that we may say ki the program has been well fulfilled your needs and requirement.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you madam. Thank you. Thank you. और कोई?
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव जी.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
हाँ, yes madam. Yes.
Yes, today's chapter was very fruitfully explained by Dikshit sir, especially the 4 states of consciousness like awakening, dreaming and sleeping. And we can achieve, yes, invincibility in the society by doing TM and TM Siddhi program daily, twice a day. That is the main thing. we achieved today. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you. Guleria sir दिखाई दे रहे हैं? I want, I think.
Yes. Jai Gurudev, I thought only 81 participant left, the listener.
Right.
So बाकी पता नहीं जल्दी में थे. They are having some work जो उनके personal life के हैं. So it is a nice one, and the Dikshit sir explained very nicely. One as told by all of you.
Thank you, sir.
And,
Thank you.
मेरा यही concern है कि when we are in this profession and we are working in this organization, so we have to attend this and we must have a faith. If we have a faith, so definitely we can explain to our students and even spread in the society. If we don't have a faith, so I can easily understand that might be we are in this profession by default, not by passion or not by interest. So that's why the impact is going as per the reflection done by our students. So जो सर ने इसमें explain किया जो 4 basic component of consciousness based education, if it is not implemented in our teaching learning pedagogy, so it is very difficult to achieve the new education policy. So the new education policy is somewhere it is going towards the same policy of CBE. As the celebration, we will do it on 5th of January, and somewhere the NEP is also invited. That is a art integrated project from class 1st to 12th, and 1 to 10th is there. So that is a one kind of celebration which we have started, and if the teachers have been doing, so they don't have any problem. But the education policy going or reaching towards the same, the consciousness based education, the missing element informed to us by in the beginning the regional coordinator Shri C.K. Sharma ji, and started with the consciousness based education, which is the soul by, and I hope that this will be continuing. And as one more point is raised by the listener, the educator, regarding the platform. So definitely this is one kind of sharing, and we are in this field, so we have to be enrich ourselves, and this is very important in this pandemic time, and we have to learn the new technology, and the sharing is to be done. What we have to share, and from my side it is okay, and I was impressed very much. Somehow in 5 to 10 minutes I was not connected, because back to back here online session is going with our staff, just upgrading the technology. But 70 to 80% I have listened, Dikshit sir. So that was very nice. I have given the feedback also. The suggestion is not only not applicable is written there, but I am expecting from all the listener and the educator who are fulfilling the feedback form. So they will go through it and write it. If you are putting in the beginning, as told by the organizer of Chhatarpur school, that the teacher is putting 1 mark. So generally it's somewhere disheartened if I am doing well and you are pointing out 1. So okay, that shows I can't change the DNA of the individual one, but somewhere we have to analyze when we are given 1 credential point to our student. So think it over the mindset of the student. So the same feeling is here. If you are having any kind of you can say the weakness exists in our program, so you can say, and this is the open session. तो ये जो ओपन सेशन है इसमें आप अपने जय गुरुदेव ओपन सेशन में आप अपना क्रेडेंशियल भी रखें, क्योंकि हाँ जी वॉइस शायद इनकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, मेरे ब्रेक होके आ रही है। तो मेरा यही अनुरोध है कि आप अपने गैजेट्स, अपने ट्रांसफॉर्मर ठीक कर लें, तो ताकि जब सेशन हो तो उसमें आपको भी फायदा हो, हमें भी फायदा हो, और हम जो फीडबैक दें तो उसके एक एनकरेजमेंट मिले। जो रिसोर्स पर्सन हैं, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं, और जहाँ पे कोई वीकनेस है तो उसको आप पॉइंट आउट करें, वी विल ट्राई टू रिमूव इट। So from my side it is okay. Thank you, Jai Gurudev.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So if we get the permission from each and everybody, should we will end up this program with best wishes to you all कि आज का मंगलवार का दिन आप सभी के लिए बहुत शुभ हो. Tomorrow let we meet and we have given the homework for the review and also for the reading out the script. And apart from that, in the morning when tomorrow we will begin, let me take the reason from the teachers. टीचर्स की तरफ से भी कुछ पॉइंट, जैसे कि आज अपन बहुत अच्छे उससे शुरू किया है कि देयर मस्ट बी अ कंप्लीट 100% पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, नॉट ओनली द वी पीपल. So you people, all teachers who are the great educators, let you participate. Instead ki I should suggest, as Guleria sir, madam and Dikshit sir, that we all have got the consent ki आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलेंगे तो it would make the sessions very great one and wonderful. जैसा रेनू राय मैडम ने भी बोला, तो everybody let you prepare and do accordingly. So thank you very much. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपका जो आज का दिन है वो भी बहुत शुभ हो. टीएम करिए और टीएम का जो आनंद है या जो शांति है उसकी अनुभूति करिए. हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आपका दिन और आपका एवरी मोमेंट बहुत शुभ हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय गुरुदेव. अगेन थैंक यू टू द